Bye-bye, daylight.
Bye-bye. There's left and right here. I don't know which way is what, or if it's...
Wind's coming from the left, ain't it? Ah! That's tight.
I feel like it gets pretty open down there.
It gets wetter.
Ooh-wee.
Oh yeah, that's pretty cold, dude. And I'd hug kind of to the left because I know there's no like holes or anything there.
Oh, yeah. Brought to you by Swago. Oh, fuck, dude. Not fun.
Oh, it's not so bad.
It's not fun. That's all.
I'm a slug.
That's cool.
Macaroni bun.
That's blowing good.
Don't touch that rock cut to your left. I think it's barely there.
Fuck!
Looks like someone, at least one person went up there.
42 went that way.
Yeah.
I wish y'all scalped it.
You going up the hill?
Ooh, maybe not. How'd they get up here?
Well, we know that the cave does this a lot. And then
Yeah.
it meets back up with itself. Just as long as we don't go down the impossible passage or whatever it's called.
I'm not tall enough to reach any of that.
Here.
I don't think that's gonna. We'll both
No, no, no,
bust our
I'm-
chins open.
I'll go.
Oh.
You want to check out that way? Dude, we didn't get that on video.
I have it.
Oh.
Well, can't really tell. I think I got that. Me busting my ass.
I'm up. Big room. Lots of neat formations up here, dude. Formations. We just found our first cave register. We'll open it in just a second once Joey gets up here.
Whoa.
See the helictite?
Yeah.
Oh, there's a couple of them. The twisty ones and then the big boy in the back.
This is cool.
Let's check out the registry.
Yeah.
Figure out where the hell we are. And then maybe get a little bit of detailed video.
First registry. That's sick. You're pretty. And you're pretty too. Come look at the detail on these little guys. I haven't seen some look like this. Come look close at them. Right here.
I see.
Ooh, look at this.
That would be an awesome picture. I just don't want to shine lights directly at them.
These are the candles. That's cool. This looks like a muddy water park. Damn. It's getting big. Whoa, soda straws.
That is sticky mud.
Anticlimactic. You should have rode your Swego like a boogie board.
So back that way was where I saw those slide marks.
Woo!
This cave is probably the most formations we've ever seen so far.
Keep that in. I said keep that in.
If you drink from that, you'd get superpowers, right?
I think so. That seems pretty fresh. There's that little window.
Yeah.
Turn your light up there.
Whoa.
That is tall.
Does it look like we can go up and around, or do we need to go up right here?
It kind of looks like
I see mud on this wall here.
it cuts back around. Right here, dude. Right here.
Massive room.
Ooh.
Dude, I love this cave. That is the biggest sheet of flowstone I've ever seen. Hold on. I want to cut around to the right and see what it looks like.
Use me for reference on the size, what? Use me for reference. Size.
It's got to be like, it's about 20 foot tall.
Yeah.
Here, let's, I wonder if you can, see it. Like, if you get in the window, you can see the person in the window.
The window.
There's a window.
You want to do pictures here?
Yeah. This is insane. Dude, this is majestic.
Yeah, I'm gonna take. Yeah. This tall ceiling. Tall ceiling. Yeah.
This is some sketch right now.
Yeah, it's pretty scary. Huh? Yeah, I don't want to see it. I don't want to see it. I'm almost at the top. What the hell? Oh my God. It's deep. The way you're going is the way we gotta go, I think. It looks like you can, it looks like that's the way to go. This is the biggest room I've ever been in.
Yeah, this is huge.
And we're up on a window. I think we're supposed to go right through the middle. Yeah, that's a fucking 40-foot straight drop right here.
Just a fucking cliff.
Yeah, this is a cliff, literally right here.
Alright, let's go back the other way.
There's a faster way down.
Huh?
There's a faster way down. Is it fossilized or is that recent?
No, it's not fossilized. That's a
Possum?
no, it's a raccoon.
What are you doing in here, buddy? Whoa!
You alright?
Oh. Okay, that one moves, buddy.
I see that.
The rooms are so dang big.
Yeah, it just keeps getting bigger over there.
This place just keeps getting bigger. What you got?
Huh?
What you got down there?
Keep going.
Of course it does. Of course it does. This is gonna suck coming off.
Hey, just really watch those rocks. Don't like hang on to any of them. It's not gonna be too bad, dude.
That's so sketchy.
That is insane.
Oh, look at this helictite, dude. It looks like a plumber. Like a faucet. And this one curves back up.
Oh, wow. That is the ultimate helictite. It's got popcorn growing out of it too.
Eat it. Just watch your head.
Yeah. Don't want to break nothing. Got some weird like alligator skin here.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's gotta be that. Oh.
That's wicked.
Oh.
This is insane.
Am I still filming?
Yes.
Sweet.
There's another helictite. For sure. Whoa. Look at that column in the middle there. That's got the fat hanging off it.
Yeah. Look over and walking right by.
This is crazy.
Oh, there's another weird column.
That's crazy. These that broke off look like core samples or something. Yeah, that's crazy. Huh? You found what?
Stream.
Whoa. My neck.
Yeah.
What? Oh. Alright. This way, what's this?
You're gonna want your phone for this too.
Mare, I'm tired of getting it out.
Well, it's worth it when you see this.
Oh wow. That is fucking crazy.
And it keeps going for a ways.
Whoa.
Oh, these ones are the prettiest.
Oh my god.
All the little baby crystals.
We made it to the flower garden. Really cool spot in the cave. But it's our turnaround time. We didn't make it to the end, but this is a good way to end it. We'll be back for part 2. Stay feral. Oh yeah, still up. 25%. We're getting out of here. Pretty little salamander.